Tam here, Lean-Agile coach, safe instructor, and author. Welcome to another of our animated Metrics That Matter videos. Let's explore strategies for enhancing quality in Lean-Agile organizations and explore the world of escape defects. I'm excited to guide you on this journey to better understand and address escape defects. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. Let's start by defining what we mean by escape defects. Escape defects are issues or bugs that are not detected and resolved during the development process and are instead discovered by users or customers after the product has been released. Escape defects can have significant consequences for organizations. They can lead to unhappy customers, damaged reputations, increased support costs, and delayed delivery of new features and updates. Quality is everyone's responsibility in Lean-Agile methodologies. So what causes defects to escape in the first place? Several factors contribute to escape defects, including inadequate testing, unclear requirements, rushed development, and poor communications among team members. Now let's explore strategies for preventing and addressing escape defects. Integrate testing throughout development to identify and address defects early. Prioritize quality from the onset and allocate sufficient time and resources for testing and validation. Ensure user stories are clear, concise, and well-defined to minimize misunderstandings and misinterpretations. Encourage collaboration and communication among team members to proactively identify and address potential defects. Leverage automation tools and techniques to streamline testing and reduce the risk of human error. By implementing these strategies, Agile teams can reduce the likelihood of defects escaping and deliver higher quality products and services to their customers. Remember, quality is everyone's responsibility in Lean-Agile organizations. Test-driven development and behavior-driven development are other strategies to prevent escape defects in Agile methodologies. TDD is a development approach where tests are written before the code is implemented. It follows a red-green refactor cycle where developers first write a failing test, red, then write the code to make the test pass, green, and finally refactor the code to improve its design while keeping the tests passing. TDD helps prevent escape defects by ensuring test coverage. TDD encourages developers to write unit tests for every piece of functionality they implement. This helps ensure comprehensive test coverage and identifies potential defects early in the development process. TDD promotes incremental development, where features are implemented in small, manageable increments. This reduces the risk of introducing defects and makes identifying and addressing issues as they arise easier. TDD provides a suite of automated unit tests that can be run frequently to detect regressions. This helps prevent previously fixed defects from resurfacing and ensures that new changes do not introduce unintended side effects. Behavior-driven development is a collaborative approach that focuses on defining and automating acceptance criteria and test scenarios based on desired behaviors or outcomes from the user's perspective. BDD helps prevent escape defects by clarifying requirements. BDD encourages stakeholder collaboration to define unambiguous acceptance criteria. This ensures that everyone has a shared understanding of the desired behavior, reducing the likelihood of misinterpretation and misunderstandings. BDD frameworks enable teams to automate acceptance tests based on defined behavior scenarios. These tests validate that the software behaves as expected from the user's perspective, reducing the risk of regression defects and ensuring consistent behavior across releases. BDD promotes a fail-fast approach by running automated acceptance testing early and often throughout development. This allows teams to detect and address defects promptly before they escalate and impact the overall quality of the product. Overall, TDD and BDD serve as valuable strategies for preventing escape defects by promoting collaboration, automation, and early validation of software behavior against defined acceptance criteria. By incorporating TDD and BDD practices in Agile, teams can deliver higher quality solutions that meet user expectations and business requirements. The best way to track and visualize escape defects is through a combination of tools and techniques that provide transparency, accountability, and actionable insights. Calculate the escape defect rate as a key performance indicator to measure the effectiveness of defect prevention and resolution efforts. The escape defect rate is typically expressed as the number of escape defects per unit of time, for example, sprint, release, or month. Use trend analysis techniques to track the frequency and patterns of escape defects over time. Visualize this data using charts or graphs to identify trends, spikes, or recurring patterns, indicating systemic issues in the development process. Here are some other recommendations. Utilize a dedicated defect tracking tool to capture and manage escape defects. This should allow you to log detailed information about each defect, including its severity, description, reproduction steps, and resolution status. Classify escape defects based on their severity levels, such as critical, major, minor, or cosmetic. This helps prioritize defect resolution efforts and ensures that critical issues are addressed promptly to minimize user impact. Conduct root cause analysis for each escape defect to identify the underlying reasons why it occurred. Common root causes may include inadequate testing coverage, unclear requirements, lack of collaboration among team members, or technical debt. Understanding the root causes helps prevent similar defects from occurring in the future. Monitor the age of escape defects to ensure timely resolution. Visualize the distribution of defect ages using a histogram or aging report to identify aging defects that require immediate attention. Conduct regular defect review meetings and retrospectives with the Agile team to discuss and analyze escape defects. Use these sessions to identify lessons learned, share best practices, and collaboratively brainstorm solutions to prevent similar issues in the future. By implementing these tracking and visualization techniques, Agile teams can effectively manage and mitigate escape defects, improve product quality, and enhance customer satisfaction. Escape defects can significantly impact the organizations, but with the right strategies and practices, teams can mitigate risk, improve quality, and confidently deliver value to their customers. Contact me, Tam, your strategic Lean Agile coach. Let's create metrics that truly drive success. Stay agile and lean, and let's make a positive impact together. Let me know if you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments. Do you agree or disagree? Are there any additions you want to recommend? Let's continue the conversation. Thank you for watching.